Control the status of form features via arrangements. It is possible to influence form features in a multi-solid part indirectly using assembly arrangements. This allows you to display and control different installation states via arrangements. I'll show you the basic procedure of this method using a simple extracted example. Create a new component in the context of the work part. You can optionally define this as non-geometric. Create four arrangements and name them meaningfully. Insert the four design form features one after the other at the origin. Suppress each individual form feature with the suppress by expression function. Define a distance constraint between the components CSYS and the work part CSYS. Make this arrangement specific and define your own distances. Each distance now represents a status. Measure associatively between the two coordinate systems. Pay attention to the measurement timestamp. This must be placed before the form features. In order to suppress the form elements, each suppression state requires an if-then-else condition. This creates a link between the measurement and the suppression of the form features. Now switch between the individual configurations. Now you know another way to create different states. Have fun trying it out and experimenting.